So today's craft, I'm actually going to film this properly, are these little heart doilies. I did this with snowflakes for Christmas. I really was looking for the pink and red hearts, but I couldn't find them. My Dollar Tree only had 2 packs and it was just these ones. I got a big and a small, but I only plan to use the small ones. And we're going to make some of these. I already made some, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's very simple. Then we're going to hang them up above the dining room table. This is a 40 pack, so you really just got to separate them. Excuse my hands. I have eczema and also free jacked me up, so they're not looking the best right now and they don't feel too great. For this, we're just going to be using 2 and we're going to glue them together. Fold them in half. We'll just end up gluing them like this. It's already heated up the glue gun. It's super dirty. This thing is so old, so excuse the appearance of it, but it's well loved. Just going to run the glue along this folded edge. And gently connect them. And then we're going to keep it open because you don't want it to glue the other side. And then we're going to press it hard. That's it. It's so simple. For this back, because it's loose, I don't want it to open. So I actually put a little bit of glue on this side as well, just to keep it shut. Now we're just gonna take some of this thread. I don't have scissors in here, but we're gonna take a long piece of it. This is where it gets a little tricky because the shape of the heart, so bear with me. But we're gonna try and put the thread through these holes. So like these front 3 holes, we're gonna try to thread it through there. I'm going to pull it through. You may have to put it through the back hole as well. These are kind of wonky, so you really just have to play with it.